Yeah, right. So here the basic steps to solve the logical puzzles. How we can solve the puzzles? The first one is, take a quick look at the question, okay, what it is asking, and develop a general idea regarding the theme of the problem. So you should be able to understand what exactly the problem is. Is it a double level puzzle or single level puzzle or triple level puzzle? So you should be able to identify. If you are not able to identify it, you cannot able to solve the puzzle. And next, select the data that is giving you some concrete information out of that. So this is related to known facts. Known facts. So you should be able to find it out, the known facts, and also select the data which helps the ruling out certain possibilities. So these are, you can decide. So to decide, you should be able to know few conditions and which you can able to tell directly that this cannot happen, or else definitely it will happen. That means you can take decision. So you should be able to select those points and you should depend on those points, and useful secondary information. Generally, the first few sentences in the given data give you the basic information that is required to know the general idea. So in the starting lines, it can be, so here in the data, or it is the list of people, places, people and natives or native places, and their lovable colors. So it depends. So based on the starting 2-3 lines, you will get to know what exactly in it, and based on the question you will get to know what you should find out, and the general theme can be known after going through the entire point on a fast track. And this known facts will help you and a decision by deciding facts. There are few facts on which you can decide. So by deciding, you can develop the rest of the things. So this is what the basic approach to know, to solve the logical puzzles, right? So actual information and a negative information, this is okay. So this is a theoretical way. That's what I told you already. So know the facts from known to unknown, explore, that's it. So what is actual information, what is a negative information, that is what. So negative information, where you can find a negativity. The actual information, where it is directly said, that's it. So the next, here is an example, right? So here, read the given information carefully and answer the questions that follow. So please observe the example now and know what exactly it is. Okay, come on. So let's be on the board, right? So there are 5 friends: Ami, Bimi, Carl, Dan, Echo. If you observe carefully, I just make it this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, this is E, so as to make myself very easy, comfortable. And they traveled from Darjeeling to 5 different countries. So the basic idea here is from Darjeeling to the different countries they are moving. So the 5 friends, 5 different countries. That's it. And US, UK, China, Canada, Russia are the 5 different modes of transports: cycling, rocket, time machine, yacht, bike. So these are the things which you have to know. Understood? Do you have any piece of doubt? Any piece of doubt? If you don't, I will continue. Right. So now there are 5 people, 5 countries and 5 modes of transportation. Right. And now the one who traveled to China did not travel by bike. So now it is a condition. What is that condition? China, the one who traveled to China did not travel by bike. So not a bike, but he can be through cycle, bicycle, rocket, time machine, yacht, whatever it may be. Then Carl is a guy went to Canada by act. So this is very, very, very clear. So this is what known fact. Known fact. So this has to be taken. And Beam went to US by time machine. This is also again a direct. So these two are direct data by which I can depend. And this, the second point is by which I should decide. So this is the one who went to China is not by bike, so that I can decide. And Dan traveled by bike, so this I decided. Dan traveled by bike. Echo traveled by rocket. So these 5 guys, out of 5 guys, 4 Carl, Beam, Dan, Echo. So I can decide that I will write here. So I'll write directly A, B, C, D and E. And I'll change the color to Carl is to Canada. So he went to Canada and on, okay, Canada, and Beam went to UK and so that's it. And later I will change another color. Carl by act, Y-A-C-H-T, okay, and by time machine, right, time machine, okay, right. Dan traveled by bike, so here it is bike. And Echo traveled by rocket, R-O-C-K-E-T. And let me know how many vehicles, how many are there, the transport modes are how many? Yes? Anybody? Yes? Cycle, right? 5.
Many say.
Yes. So we can decide that the cycle is left over and rest of the things are already decided. So all are decided except about cycle, it was not mentioned. So I can decide A, that is MA is bicycle. So I can decide. So all the transportation modes are completely used to all the people. So A, B, C, D, E known to us, right? And now the next one, Darjeeling is not connected by cycle to US or China. So the one who is going by cycle is not to US and not to China. So other than China and US, there will be a Russia. Yes or no? If you agree, type A in the comment box. Other than UK, Canada and US and China, what is the leftover? The leftover is only Russia. So I decided. So this is also, I have taken a decision. So now US and China are there, and Dan traveled by bike. So Dan traveled by bike and Echo traveled by rocket. The one who traveled to China did not travel by bike. So there will be no China here. So other than China, what is there? So US. So I had taken a decision here. So this is deciding, but this is a negative one. So negative statement, China. So based on that, I had decided. So I had cleared everything. So now I am very clear that who went to whom and which location and by which mode of transportation. So this is how I can decide. Yes or no? If you are with me, W in the comment box. Very good, Sunil. Very good, Madhavi. Very good. So now we will go through the questions. Generally we should check the question also, but here how we need to solve is very important. That's why I have solved. This is the basic form of a puzzle. So now the question. See, which of the following combinations of a person mode is not correct? Ami cycle is right. Beanie time machine is right. C, yeah, H is right. Dan bike is right. Echo should be rocket. So this is wrong. Because that is wrong, that is true. That is the answer. If you are clear, CLR in the comment box. Because it is not correct. Which is not correct? Here it is not asking the correct one, but it is asking the wrong one. Right. Next one. So that is the mode of solution. It's clear. Now the next, the place of travel. Beanie to UK. So this is just an explanation. You please go through later when I will upload to the study material. Right? Next. So which of the following combinations is true for Dan? So Dan. So is it data inadequate or none of the above, or Dan related to what? Dan related to its bike and US. So we need to take bike and US. So this is our combination. Yes, very good, Madhavi. So moving ahead, this is just a way of solving it. Explanation, we'll move forward. So this is again, read the following information carefully and answer the